So let's go, blue. So now blue flies over. And grabs the money. So what's next, blue? So blue flies back to the table and I guess blue wants to. There you go. Blue made your money. So sir, are you okay with your money for donation? And since it's okay, sir, how about another round? So 500 pesos. I was just kidding, sir. It's all part of the show. So before we give your money, I still have a photo op with our lovely bird for souvenir. So please stand right there and follow our trainer's instructions.
Lang mama nagkaon.
Okay, smile and pose together with our honey bird.
Bird show.